At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we confidently believe we are a top choice for indoor air quality solutions, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, because of our commitment to quality service, advanced technology, and customer satisfaction. As experienced professionals in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, we provide a full range of services as a trusted air conditioning contractor and heating contractor, ensuring your system operates efficiently year-round. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How can an HVAC contractor improve indoor air quality in my home or business? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we evaluate your entire HVAC system and recommend tailored solutions such as high-quality filtration, air purification systems, and humidity control using advanced HVAC control system technology. As a trusted heating contractor and air conditioning contractor, we also offer upgraded equipment as a dependable air conditioning system supplier and heating equipment supplier, along with support from an experienced installation contractor to enhance overall efficiency. What are the most common causes of poor indoor air quality? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we often find that poor indoor air quality is caused by a combination of factors related to system maintenance, ventilation, and environmental conditions. By identifying and addressing these common problems, we provide effective indoor air quality solutions that help create a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.